talent intelligence solutions are important tools for helping businesses make the best HR decisions possible. Using artificial intelligence, talent intelligence tools help determine what candidates are good fits for positions based on skills, experience, and culture fit. Talent intelligence solutions are particularly popular for larger global organizations to help maintain company culture across regions and language barriers. Whether you're looking to save time and money on the recruitment process or trying to gain insight into your current talent pool, a talent intelligence tool can be extremely valuable. It can be challenging to choose the talent intelligence tool that's ideal for you, however, because there are tons of options to choose from. Additionally, few talent intelligence tools provide both excellent recruiting support and great employee management features. To make your decision a little easier, we've synthesized the most common use cases, as well as the key features and limitations of the top talent intelligence solutions based on reviews from TrustRadius.com. Hiretual is well known as an application tracking software, but it can act as a complete talent intelligence tool for recruiting as well. By providing access to all the major recruiting platforms and over 700 million professional profiles, Hiretual is a great tool for finding the ideal candidates for your open positions. Users praise Hiretual most for the access it provides to contact information to high-value professionals. Hiretual provides recruiters with instant access to potential candidates, which can make it easy to find the perfect person for any given position. Hiretual also provides insights on candidates that can help recruiters narrow down their search. Some recruiters note that narrowing down candidates with Hiretual has saved time at the interview phase of hiring. The biggest limitation of Hiretual as a talent intelligence tool is that it is very focused on the recruiting portion of the talent intelligence space. If you are looking for insights into your current talent pool, for example, Hiretual may not be the right choice. Users also note that full access to Hiretual's contacts can be pricey over a long period of time. Hiretual is an ideal choice for businesses that want to get the best outcomes out of the recruiting process. If you don't have the need for other features talent intelligence tools offer, Hiretual is hard to beat. On the other end of the spectrum, Lattice focuses on the employee performance management component of talent intelligence. Lattice enables teams to keep track of employee performance through goal setting and tracking, while providing an avenue for user feedback through check-ins and upward performance reviews. Reviewers of Lattice love this software's support for goal setting and tracking. Specifically, users appreciate how Lattice provides visibility into individual and team goals to the entire organization. This makes it easy to see both how teams are doing, as well as how the organization as a whole is performing. Users also note that check-ins and performance reviews through Lattice increase transparency between employees and their bosses, and also increases trust broadly throughout the organization. Despite these strengths, Lattice's biggest limitation is the opposite of Hiretual's. It provides excellent employee management features, but doesn't include support for recruiters and hiring managers. Users also complain that Lattice's reporting features are not as sophisticated as other talent intelligence options. Lattice is a great choice for any business that already has the recruiting process and tools figured out. As long as you aren't looking for recruiting features, Lattice provides excellent employee management and monitoring features at an affordable price. As one might expect from a talent intelligence solution from LinkedIn, LinkedIn Talent Solutions is heavy on the recruiting features. That said, it is highly specialized for recruiting on the LinkedIn platform. While this might seem like a major limitation, there are a huge amount of job seekers on LinkedIn, making LinkedIn Talent Solutions a viable intelligence solution even if you don't make use of other job boards. The biggest benefit of LinkedIn Talent Solutions is access to LinkedIn's massive talent pool and job listings. Users of LinkedIn Talent Solutions can post a number of jobs for free, as well as promote jobs regionally or to users with specific skill badges. Additionally, users of LinkedIn Talent Solutions have the ability to reach out to potential candidates directly via InMail. The biggest limitation of LinkedIn Talent Solutions is that it doesn't support your recruiting efforts on other platforms, such as Indeed or Monster. While LinkedIn provides a large platform of job seekers, for some industries or regions, access to other job boards is essential. Users can also note that while LinkedIn Talent Solution includes a wide variety of filters for search, they can be finicky and don't always work properly. LinkedIn Talent Solutions is an ideal tool for any business that aims to recruit primarily through LinkedIn. It can also be used as a supplemental tool to another recruiting tool that focuses on other job boards and recruiting platforms. One thing to note when choosing talent intelligence tool is that you can choose more than one. If you need a tool to support the recruitment process, but also want employee management features, you can always use Lattice in addition to one of the other tools. That said, if you want only one, there are some important differentiators to consider. Hiretual is a great generalist recruitment tool. For businesses that want to access a lot of recruiting platforms and a big contact list of job seekers, Hiretual is the way to go. Lattice is an employee management tool. If you're trying to monitor employee sentiment and increase transparency in your organization, Lattice is a great tool. It can also work well with other tools that focus more on recruitment. Lastly, LinkedIn Talent Solutions is the best tool for businesses that focus their recruitment strategy on the LinkedIn platform. If you still aren't sure which talent intelligence tool is right for you, or if you want to explore even more talent intelligence products, consider checking out some verified reviews on TrustRadius.com. All reviews on TrustRadius are from real users of the product, who share their experiences based on their use case and infrastructure. Comment below if you decide one of these tools is right for you, or if you use another talent intelligence tool that you love. If you liked this video and want to see more content like it, consider hitting the subscribe button so that you never miss an upload.